don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Robo. I put some ice on you cause you got a call. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we take the cars down to get the checkup. See what's wrong with both cars. We got the SRT4 and we have the Subaru. I'm excited to see what we need to fix so we can make this daily ready. As we warm up the MB, I just want to show y'all how sexy the NA looks. Man, I'm loving her. She looks fucking fantastic, dude. Man, this is the first time I've been able to see the headlights go down in a long time. So it's feeling great. How you feeling?
That's great.
Let them know how you feeling.
Hey, the headlight actually go down?
You wanna show him? Go ahead. We can hit the button for him. Watch it go up. Watch it go down. Options. When you got options, this is what happened. Options. Options. Up. Down. At your discretion, G.
That should go.
So, getting in the car. Our appointment was set for 1. It's like 12:45. We're headed to Kyju Motorsports in Henderson, Las Vegas. We're gonna have them look at the car and check it out. We're gonna get that engine checked out. I don't think it's anything major. Hoping it's not anything major, but I'm excited for the car to get checked out so we can get all this stuff fixed so we can boost. I'm so ready just to boost. Y'all have no idea. I've been trying to boost for so many years. Again, I miss turbo. I'm really into cars. I've always been really into cars since I was little, so I've always liked turbo cars, and I had my first SRT, and when I had to get rid of it, it was sad. But we're back, so let's go down to Kyju Motorsports. Let's see what they're telling us. Hopefully we get some good news. Like, you know, quick fix, boom, 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 in and out. We're gonna have them go look at the Subaru too. We're trying to make good content for you guys this summer. A lot of good things coming together. We're blessed, even through everything that's going on in the world. We've been blessed. So everybody out there, to you and your family, stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll let you guys know when we get to Kyju. We've just arrived here at Kyju Motorsports, and it's looking hot. Look at all the beautiful cars. Woo! Fire! Fire!
Chris, the new outside is a 4, right?
Yes.
It's like 3.8.
You excited?
Ready.
I'm ready.
It's gonna be some good stuff.
I'm ready. I'm trying to see what they see. We can get it fixed. We can get it back on the road. I'm ready. Ready to roll. Ready to go.
Yes,
We got good techs. We got good techs.
So you got rust everywhere. It's not bad. The only one concern.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Your axle boot is ripped on this side.
Oh, we can't have that, coach. That's a no-go.
This wheel bearing is slightly damaged as well too. Gustavo will show you exactly what it's gonna do. It moves too much side to side.
Okay.
You probably won't feel it too much.
Okay.
But it will eventually go bad and you will have to replace it.
Oh no, I'm listening. I'm listening to y'all. I'm listening to y'all.
This side is okay.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with this one. You have a leak from a breather port.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, I knew I had that leak
And then
too.
it's basically dropping down onto this area right here.
Uh-huh.
And then that's what's causing at least the bottom section here.
Okay. Have a leak.
And you're also leaking from here. It looks like there's no gasket on there.
Okay.
That's possibly why it's seeping out ever so slightly.
So we're leaking from here. Also leaking from here, as you guys can see. It's bad.
And then your axle boot on this side is
ripped.
starting to rip.
Okay. But for the most part, y'all being mechanics, what do you see? I mean, it's an 05. So for an 05, how does it look for an 05 in your perspective? And it came from, yeah, you know what I mean?
It's good. The top looks nice. The bottom end definitely. It's gonna suck when you want to replace any suspension parts. So As long as you don't have to replace any of that, you'll be fine. Because if not, then basically it's going to be a replacement of everything. If you ever need to replace your tie rods, you're going to have to replace the whole arm. So live with it as much as you can.
Oh yeah. I plan on doing a lot to the car. I just want to make sure it's daily driver for now. I'm not racing. I'm not speed racer. I'm just trying to, you know, hit boost when I want to. And that's it. All right.
Really good.
Well, that's cool.
We'll party soon.
So now we're under the Subaru. Oh, okay.
It's all your ABS.
That's an ABS?
No. Is it these? They look like that. Yeah, okay.
Wow. What's wrong with the front? What was he saying about the front? Let's talk about it.
Leaky.
Oh, steering rack. Common issue.
Oh, we just changed that.
Your end link's not connected at all on this one.
Yeah.
Is that dangerous?
Yes.
Actually, that might be why the ABS sensor is going off. Because if it's moving too freely.
No, because you can remove sway bars for your comfortability of driving style. So it shouldn't affect that at all.
So we're leaving Kyju Motorsports. Great people. Took the car in the air. They told us everything wrong with the car. Actually, to be honest with you, nothing major. One thing that I do want to talk to you guys about: when you do buy a car from other people, first thing you must do is maintenance. So right now I was told that the car is a quart at 1.5 quarts low of oil. So definitely want to make sure you got oil in turbo cars. So we're gonna definitely go get some oil at Walmart right now. Get some filters, and we're gonna do the oil on this car ASAP. We cannot have her riding around like this. We cannot have her not having oil. So we're here at Walmart. We got the K&N filter for all the guys out there who ride the SRT4. The part number for the K&N filter is HP/2009. I repeat, the part number for the oil filter is HP/2009. So we made it home yesterday. I got the oil. I got the filter. I just didn't feel like doing the oil change yesterday. I kind of want to do it today. I like waking up early working on my car more than working on my car like later in the day, or I prefer to start at night till the morning. I prefer that. But anyways, yeah, I'm moving out the Miata right now. Moving her out so I can bring the SRT4 in so we can do oil change. Man, the oil is black. It's sad to see people who don't take care of the car and don't understand, you know what I mean, what it is to do proper maintenance on a car, man. Oil changes is, you know, that determines the life of your car. So if you're only doing, you know, you're not checking your oil frequently, you could blow a motor, you could spin a rod, you can have lifter tick, a lot of shit can happen to your car, and it's very best if you keep up with your maintenance, especially your fluids. Your fluids are very, very important on the car. So I just want to stop in and say that the car is currently draining the oil out. We do have a new mobile one in the filter right here, so we're gonna put that on. We're gonna see how she reacts to the new oil, because that oil was black. Bad. So you guys can see the oil. Oil's pretty black. No shavings in it, so that's a blessing. Good thing we got the new oil here. Boom. It's gonna make a big difference for her. So here's one half of the oil filter.
God.
The other half of the oil filter. It took us 4 hours to take this fucking oil filter off. Do not buy cheap shit for your car. This right here, no go. So yesterday was crazy. Honestly, since I've been working on my cars, yesterday was probably one of the most craziest things I've experienced. Something that should have took maybe not even 5 minutes. A quick twist, use a tool, take the oil filter off. It took 4 hours. Definitely learned something, and it was a very great experience. It was annoying but great because you learn that everybody really doesn't take care of their fucking cars. I mean, they had a cheap oil filter on there, oil was low, you know what I mean? It's just, you gotta take care of your car, you gotta take care of the things you own. And I'm not even saying it was the last owner because he said he took it to a shop, but be careful if you're taking your car to a shop and they putting cheap shit on your car but you're paying for other stuff. That's very important. Make sure that they're even putting new oil and not just recycled oil in your car, because again, oil in the life of your car is very important. But I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. Just wanted to say, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The next video, we're gonna be talking about, you guys, a little more maintenance on the SRT and doing some stuff to either the MB or the WRX. We're not too sure yet. Still trying to, figure it out and what we want to, exactly do. But it should be a video next on the MB or the WRX. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys.
I put some ice on you 'cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Shut that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more.
As you guys can see, the oil is black. Hold on, 'cause I'm trying to record. God damn it.